Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, what we are going to build is what you can see on your screen. So when you will open the app, it will show you this text, welcome to my channel. So if you click on this button, which is the hide welcome text button, then it will hide this welcome to my channel text. Here you can see what happened just now. It hid that welcome text. Now if I click on show welcome text, it will show it again. Okay. So this is what we are going to build in this video. Stay tuned to know and learn how we can do this. So first we can create empty views activity and we will choose the language as Java and the name of our application will be learning Android layouts. Okay, and now we will start. And the main activity and the layout file has opened. The XML file refers to the layout file where you can add your layout components. So there are many different kind of layouts like constant layout, which contain the text views, the buttons and all. So in these layouts, you store these text views or the buttons, and there are many different varieties of that. For example, you have constant layout, you have the linear layout, the horizontal linear layout, the vertical linear layout, the frame layout, the table layout, the table row space, and many more are there which help you to contain. As of now, we will explore constant layout because it is more recommended and more easy to use. It helps you to align a layout component with respect to the position of another layout component. For example, we can up here attach a text view and here we align it with respect to the hello world text view, and this is how you do it. Okay, you have to drag and match the blue dots. Okay, you have to connect these blue dots. You can see it again. We will click on this, we will select it, we will drag it and we will attach. This will go to this, which is the parent layout. This one also to the parent, and this will align it center horizontally. Okay, and we have kept it just below the hello world text view. Now to assign an ID, which is a unique name for any layout component, we'll give it a name like this, which is like we do here, hello world text view. Okay, and this will be the welcome text view, and we will change the text here. It will be the welcome to my channel. Now what we can do is we will rename this as hello world. Oops, yeah, hello world text view. Better. Now we will create a new button. Okay. Now we will do the same thing. We will drag this and here it is. Now we will align it center horizontally, and now we will keep a margin. Okay. To set a margin, you can just do it like you can drag it like this, or another way is by doing it like setting it here. Okay. 20. And when I press enter, this is what happens. Okay. Now we will have a text on this button, which will be show welcome text. Okay, and this is all fine. Now what we are going to do is we are going to write the code for which when user clicks on this button, which is the show welcome text button, he will be able to hide this text view, which is the welcome text view. Okay, so to do that, we will initialize the text view in this manner. Okay, welcome text view. Okay, and we'll do find view by id r dot id dot welcome text view. Then what we are going to do is button uh, display welcome text button equal to find view by id r dot id dot button. Okay, Now we need to create a string resource for each of these strings. It will be better if we use a string resource instead of typing the text like this. Okay, to do that, you can select this and click, and this you can do extract string resource, and then you can save it as a string resource. Okay, and here also you will do the same thing. And here, okay, so, we need to select it like this and show context, and here it goes. Oh, it is showing that it is already existing. Maybe, yeah. So we do have show welcome text and hide welcome text. Okay, so we don't need to create new ones. I already created. You can also create like I showed you. You can also create the hide welcome text string in this strings.xml file. Okay. So actually this is showing some error. So you can go to file and you can do invalidate catches, and it will stop showing the error. Okay. There was nothing wrong in the code because this is how you write it. Maybe there is a problem or a bug in the new version because Android Studio just released its latest version. Okay. So we can continue now. Display welcome text button dot set on click listener, and now we will keep it as view, and here it is. Now what we are going to do is we are going to get the visibility of welcome text views. That means that we can get the visibility of any layout component using this method, which is welcome text view dot get visibility. You can run this get visibility method on any layout component. You can also do it on the display welcome text button. Okay, so you can do it on every layout component. Now you can do it like if it is visible, then we will hide it. Okay, set visibility gone. Okay, this is how you do it. Also, we will change the text of the button to the hide, rather show the welcome text. This one. Okay, so you can do it like this: r dot string dot show welcome text. Okay, because when you want the user to when he or she clicks on this, then it shows the welcome text view, but as of now it is hidden. Okay, so you will understand when we run the application why we did like this. I will show you. As of now we will set it like this: if else block, and this is what you have to write: get resources dot get string r dot string dot hide welcome text, and this is what you have to do. Now let's run the application. Okay, so we will run it. This one. I have the emulator, which name is Pixel 6 Pro API 30, and the Gradle build is running, and soon the application will be installed. Application has installed for me. There is an error. Actually, there is a problem. Let's fix it first. It should display the text as hide welcome text on the button. Okay. So for that, we need to change it here. It should be hide welcome text. We can use the string resource itself, which will be string hide welcome text. And now we will run our application and it will work. Okay. And it will take some time, maybe 3 to 4 seconds. So it has been installed, and now you have the application. Okay. So here what is happening is when you will click it, it will hide the welcome text. Okay. The when you click on the show welcome text button, it will show it, and again it will change the text here on the button as hide welcome text. So what it is doing is, if when you click this button, it will check if the welcome text view is visible. If it is visible, then it will hide it and change the text on the button as show welcome text. So this is what is happening, okay? You can check it once again. I hope you have understood what we have built in this video, and if you have and faced any problems, you can comment down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.